Howdy y'all, Dale here. Today I wanted to take you along with us while we overwinter pepper plants. It's a really easy process and something you might be interested in trying. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, first step in overwintering your pepper plants is to run around your garden like a crazy fool and clip off every pepper and any flowers on any plants that you want to overwinter. Here, you can see we've done that. In this tray right here, we have a bunch of jalapenos, some lemon drop peppers, purple beauty bell pepper. Ignore our two little pumpkins right here. We picked those while we were picking. Over here, we have a ton of green bell peppers. We have some Anaheim peppers, a bunch of Tabasco chili peppers, some serranos, some habaneros, and some banana peppers. So that's your first step. Remove all peppers and flowers from your plants that you want to overwinter. Okay, y'all, the next step is digging up or pulling up your plants that you want to overwinter. We're going to try to do this since I don't have the shovel and shake out all of the soil. And boom, see how easy that was to dig it up. Now, this is the difference between whether you're going to overwinter your pepper plants in a garage or a greenhouse versus inside your house. If you're putting this in a greenhouse, like we're doing some in a greenhouse and some inside, you would just repot this in your pot and put it in the greenhouse or the garage. But since this is one we're going to try inside, you want to make sure you get every bit of that soil out and go ahead and try to wash it to get even more out, because you don't want to bring in any creepy crawlies or bugs or anything like that inside the house. Another thing you can do with the ones that you are bringing inside the house, after you've got this whole process done and it's just your bare sticks and all the leaves are off, you can spray it down with a soapy water mixture. But as you can see here, we went from a bunch of soil still caught up into the roots to clean as can be. So see how easy that was? Now, our next step is going to be getting rid of all the leaves before we pot it up. So let's do that now. Okay, y'all. Step 3 is the part that's going to hurt your soul the most. It looks like you're murdering the plant. But what you're going to do is remove any unhealthy looking branches. We're removing all leaves, just clipping them off, because we don't want this to grow over the next couple months. See here, I missed a pepper and I missed some flowers on this one, and it's okay because you're always going to get it at this point. The neighbors are apparently now building something because I hear a saw going, so ignore that. Now, when we come to this fork, what I do is cut it off at both parts right below the next node. So here again, you see another fork. I'm going to cut right here, and I'm going to cut right here. And that is all you have to do before the planting process. So now we're going to get some soil and a pot, and we're going to put this in it. You do want to, whether you're putting it inside or outside, make sure you use some fresh soil once you go to transplant it, and that is going to be our next step. And our little pepper plant is now potted in its pot, and we are going to put it down here with all the rest that we've done. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would I want to overwinter my pepper plants? Pepper plants are perennials. They're actually meant to live year-round in tropical climates. Most of the reason that our pepper plants can't live year-round is because of the cold and the frost. It kills them. So by doing this process, there's a couple of reasons for doing it. If we overwinter these successfully, the neighbors, we overwinter these successfully, then next year we're going to be starting with huge pepper plants instead of little bitty babies that we get from the nursery or seeds that we grew ourselves. Now, another reason you may want to do this, for instance, these are just two of our big Tabasco plants. This is the first year we've had success in growing Tabasco plants this big and plentiful, so we want to save them if we can. Also in here, there's some unique peppers that we had for the first time that we're not sure if we're going to be able to find them again next year, like the lunchbox pepper and our Satan's Kiss pepper, which if you saw the harvest and taste, I don't care whether we do it again, but Chuck likes the hotter ones, I like the milder ones. So another reason for overwintering is because you either had a plant that was super successful or it was a pepper that you loved and you don't know if you'll have access to it next spring. So hopefully this quick, easy tutorial gave you like inspiration to overwinter your pepper plants if it's not too late. And it's that simple, y'all. So thanks as always for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, and share. And come on over to OSKG anytime. You're always welcome. Bye, y'all.